joining me today. I did another Christmas look, this time with a little candy cane cut crease. And now this one's my favorite. So like every one I do is gonna be my favorite. I don't know. I love it. At first I was like not sure what I was doing. I did not plan this one out. I feel like every time I'm like, I'm gonna plan it, then I just start doing stuff. I saw the two colors in this palette are literally so Christmas, and they're right next to each other. They don't look right on my camera. My lights are so bright that they wash them out, but I promise these are very red. It's kind of an orangey red almost, but it fits for Christmas. And then the green, they're B2 and C2. I use those and they are matte colors. I love them. I love all the Anastasia stuff. It's just awesome. I used this mistletoe glitter, which is super fitting cause duh, Christmas. And I added a little silver sparkle. Yeah, I'm happy with it. Check out how I got this done. watching. And now I want a candy cane, but I don't have any, so I guess I'm gonna have to go out and buy some, cause yeah. Well, we'll be putting up the tree, I think, this weekend, so we'll get some candy canes while we're at it. Let me know what are some of your favorite Christmas traditions for your children. One of my favorites is, since my children were little, I had them pick out an ornament, and it's one of those things where they pick one every year and I write the date, like the year at the bottom and their names on them. And they know now because I told them, but when they were little they didn't know. When they move out someday, I will give them a box of their ornaments for their first tree, so they'll have all their ornaments from when they were little, and it'll be a little gift to them to move out, get out. You can get your ornaments. I'm just kidding. No, I just texted my kids today because they're at their dad's house, like, I miss you, because they're gone like a day and I already miss them. So I don't know, but yeah, hope you like this look. And maybe I'll do a few more, we'll see. Let me know some of your ideas and what you guys think. Share this with some of your friends that you think might like this little Christmas candy cane look. And see you guys next time. I have something in my eye, probably glitter. Bye.